Hey guys, this is Siddharth Hadpal and this is my first ever video that I'm making for my trek Vasora for all of you guys. And this is the bus. I'm gonna board the bus and here's my friend Vishal Jalit that has brought me here and I'm waiting. I was waiting with him for the bus. Now the bus is here and I got a board. And I don't know how this video gonna be up on the YouTube, but I'll try my best to keep it natural, raw and mesmerizing for you all. So I gotta board the bus. Time is 9:05. I'll see you in the next stop. Yeah, back. That is the bus. Ta-da! Vishal Javle, say hi. Hello, bye. हमारी बस चेंज हो गई है. Earlier bus to drop us on a specific location where more people were there to board the bus. Now this is our bus. This is our track leader. Who is the bus name? Vaibhav is the name and he is Atul. He's second lead. So we'll catch you up in the next video. I hope the video is good. Alright, once again I'm live here and this is another video. The last video you saw that when I was switching my front and rear camera, you saw that my voice was cut. The camera was not able to record it. Why? Because I don't know, there's some mechanic in the camera that whenever you switch the C, the voice gets cut. This is why it is recommended to use this director view or say dual recording camera option. It's pretty good. This is why I've been using it frequently. And the update is that we are here. The bus has stopped to eat some snacks for the people and I'm just having my tea, enjoying my time because I'm not hungry to eat something. We'll keep you posted in another video. And for that, ta-da, bye-bye. So I think we have just deboarded the bus and we are heading to our base village. I can't record myself because I'm wearing the head torch and this will block myself. Okay, let me just try to show you myself. And I believe we have to walk there if you can see the light. This is how we are walking to our camp. Passing through some villages. Thank God that I had this head torch. If I didn't have the head torch, the visibility would be like this. Nothing. So that's actually a challenge. Whenever you're trekking, you have to buy this head torch. Yeah, this is a must. You must keep it along with you. Little glimpse of what we are trying to do. This is Arohi tent house and Jeevanashi or I don't know. I'm not able to read this, but Vasura track. Showing around. Pretty good. Yeah. Alright, tents have been aligned and we are now going to find which one is for us. We 3 people are going inside the tents. And is this the one?
We can take this.
Okay, open it. I'll put you in my video. Voila. Good job. Some of them are still preparing their tents. Some are halfway done. Almost. I brought this sleeping bag with me. This is the basic Decathlon sleeping bag, if you can
Read this. Decathlon Quechua sleeping bag. It helps you with the 20 degrees Celsius temperature, comfort temperature. This is. Come on, man, come inside if you can. Chalo. Okay, this is accurately 6 feet. It's made of my height, and sleeping bag is here. I can completely open it, and there's a chain. I could lock it up like that, and then I can wear it like a blanket. See, so that would be really great. Voila, I can sleep. What I didn't bring along with myself is the what do we call it? Well, a sheet and a pillow.
इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया है गाइस, और अभी हमारे लीडर्स कह रहे हैं कि वो आप भी तो सुनाने वाले हैं उनके लाइफ में जो हॉरर घटनाएं हुई हैं वो बताने वाले हैं जी।
भोला है बेचारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। देवा तुझा धारे आलो, गुण गान गाया, तुझा बिना मानसाचा जन्म झाली वाया, हे देवा दिली हाक उद्धार कराया। पता रहेगा तो हमारे कंपनी के बारे में, तो हम अनएक्सप्लोर्ड लोकेशंस लोगों के लिए लाते हैं, इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं एंड वहाँ पे एक स्पेसिफिक काउंट लेके जाते हैं।
Okay, I'm away from my group to show you what's happening around, and I'll start by here to give you some information about this site. This is some details. Now I'm gonna walk you around to show you exactly how many people are. Subah away guys, and it's a very good morning to all of us. Right now we are preparing to have our breakfast, and then we'll schedule to depart to the fort via boat. This is the group, they are being ready, and that is the deer in the Under Armour cap.
मी फ्रंटला राहील, कामाक्षी मागे राहील. तो चालताना एक काळजी घ्या, काही काम असले कुठेही काय जायचं असलं वॉशरूमला वगैरे किंवा काही इमर्जन्सी असते, पायाला चमक येते किंवा काही त्रास होतो, लेट असणं काय होतं काय.
So we were surrounded by this river, or we can also call a dam, and almost time to sunrise, and this is also the time for our breakfast. Here are some people making chapatis and the breakfast that we are going to eat. This is a common breakfast area for everybody, and from here we can have our self-service. Start the journey by boat very soon. Thank you so much. तो ये है पोहा, जो कि हमें सेम ही हर ट्रैक पर दिया जाता है मूंगफली के साथ, और चाय भी होती है। चाय की मैं फोटो लगाना भूल गया क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा हैवी होता है और आगे ट्रैक में हेल्प भी करता है, तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ गुड टू हैव, एंड आई डोंट थिंक दैट वी आर एवर गोना गेट समथिंग न्यू दैट विल रिप्लेस पोहा. This is the time we collect our badges from the leaders, and why we wear our badges, because this will actually segregate us or separate us from the other groups that are here. Let's say if somebody gets lost, then from the badges they will recognize us. We are from this particular group, and they will contact them for the rescue. So I'll show you the group. I'll show you the badges very soon.
तो
Okay, I've got my badge. Looks like this. You
फ्रीक्वेंसी
can
लगानी
see.
है, उनको बोलना है कि कम्युनिकेट कर दे 1 नंबर की फ्रीक्वेंसी।
एक नंबर की फ्रिक्वेंसी है जिन्होंने ऐसे बताया लीडर ने, and this will save you actually. Whenever you get lost, you
बंजारा आउटडोर
tell the other group from the walkie-talkie. They will dial the frequency number 1, and you will get connected to the leader of your group. This is the view. Quite fascinating, but let's see what happens next. निकल पड़े हैं हम अपने नाव की सवारी करने के लिए, और आगे देखते हैं कितनी मछलियाँ हमारे नाव पे आती हैं. I have noticed something very unique and special, guys. I gotta show you. If you can see, out of all these trees and bushes around here, there is something that is completely standing out, and that is that tree on the top. See, it's very unique, very stylish. The leaves, the structure, the design of the trees, absolutely peculiar. I mean, completely stands out of the frame. Beautiful. After the journey of almost 1 hour and 10 minutes, we have completed our river boat trek, and we have reached the fort. And the challenge is this: we have to actually get off the boat. And yeah, it's difficult, not easy, not as easy as it looks like. Now we have to do a jungle trek and then to the fort. चलो तुमको लेकर चले वसोटा के जंगल में, जहाँ घना जंगल है और किला भी. देख रहे हो आप लोग, अगर आपके जूते अच्छे नहीं होंगे and the sole that you are wearing of the shoe is not good, then this will come off. So wear better shoe, just like this, a Woodland, better grip and better shoe. Well, the shoe is actually a 5-year-old shoe, but it will has some breath left. So yeah, I'm wearing it. Okay, so this is also called Project Tiger Sayadi Tiger Reserve. Will we find any tiger? We'll find out.
चेक कर नंबर का है।
Now there's a queue, and this queue is for to get your backpack checked. Those who do not have a backpack can get the entry easily. Because I'm having a huge backpack on my back, so I'll have to stand in queue and get it checked. This is how we get the entrance to the park. Oh, do you see that? Species of butterfly mentioned on that pole. Beautifully mentioned. I have to keep my hands straight to get me in the frame.
Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you that why we were in the queue to get our backpack checked. Because I know that there will be snacks in our bags, there will be many people carrying their edible things, food, and they might throw it away while trekking in the jungle. This is why forest rangers were checking individually who and how many food they have with them, and whether there is any plastic sacks they are having, or if they throw it away they'll be punished or there'll be some offense. So this is why they were checking our backpack and noticing down who has how many number of biscuits packets or plastics like that. I mean, like that, something like that. So I only had one protein bar and one pack of peanuts. And while returning back from the trek, they checked whether I have two plastic wraps with me or not. So that will give them confirmation that yes, I didn't throw it away in the jungle.
This is why you must get expensive and the most suitable trek shoes. Otherwise, this will come off just like it's coming off right now of my brother's shoe. Very dangerous. Do not compromise on shoes, guys. Do not and never compromise on shoes. Otherwise, please do not come on track. Because the thing that has come off of his shoe, he's actually thrown it here. So that's also a trash for the forest. Thai poppet, also called plum-headed parakeet in English. Alright guys, something I gotta tell you that whenever you are trekking, please make sure that you have a trekking pole so that you can reduce the strain on your knees. I have this with me. I bought it from Decathlon, 1500 rupees. Also, don't forget to buy a good trekking shoe, because if you do not buy a good trekking shoe that has a good grip, then you might lose the shoe, also ankle sprain and other things that you may regret later when you get back to your home. Because while you trek, you may not feel it, but when you're done trekking, you may feel the next day. What else? Also, yeah, because they would be tanning, you can also keep hat with you, or sun protection, forearms layers. Also available in your nearest Decathlon, or you can buy it from your Amazon Prime subscription if you have. Also, do not wear jeans. Always wear light track pants or any pajama that you wear while sleeping or going to bed. Anything that is light. What happened? Somebody's dying, I think. Oh my god. So yes, what else? Always carry extra socks, extra pair of t-shirt, pant, underwear if you could, because it may rain and you'll not be able to avoid it if you do not have any extra pair of clothes. The rest of the things I'll be sharing it later, so I gotta stop this video right now to have some fresh air because I'm right now. Damn, look at this. You gotta climb that. That is almost 65 to 70 degree steep stair. I'm thinking to climb up, but I may lose a life and I may not be able to show you another trek of mine, so I gotta choose the easier way, which is right here. I don't know if you're able to see, but if you're climbing down, that is highway to hell. But if you're climbing up, that is stairway to heaven.
Come on.
This is 0.7 liter. I actually finished it, and I don't know if we have actually completed half of the trek or not, but I always carried this 2.2 liters, and this is also recommended that you also carry it whenever you trek anywhere in the world. Do not carry this bottle, but always carry the extra. So whenever you finish this, you can always refill it and stay hydrated. Thank you. देख रहे हो guys, कैसे सबका खेल खत्म हो गया है, सबका जूस निकल गया है यहाँ पे. मेरा नहीं निकला भाई, मैं तो चैंपियन हूँ. Everybody's taking a rest here. There are 3 group. One is Alpine Tracker, Banjara Outdoors, and one is you are from UTI? Odisha. Yes, no, the group name. What's the full form of it?
Odisha.
Full form of UTI, your group name.
Yeah, full form of UTI.
What is this?
United Trekking in India.
United Trekkers of India. The full form is better, but UTI, the short form is not better, because UTI is a condition, medical condition. देखो सारे लोग कैप्चर करने लग गए, लेकिन वो लोग क्या कैप्चर कर रहे हैं? वो सोडा, because we have reached it. We are near to the fort. Almost. We're about to conquer it. With soda. What are these people capturing exactly? Let's find out. Look at that view. They're capturing that. हालत खराब है। हम लोग आ रहे हैं वहाँ से। That beautiful river, if you can see, and the boat is still visible, and we have completed the trek after getting off the boat from there to here, and now we have to still climb up there. My God, मेरा तो जूस निकल गया guys. I am doomed. So finally we're at the top, and you can see that there are many people here showing the scenery here. Beautiful scene. And see, some are here to enjoy their time, get together, a picnic.
It's a nadi or it's a lake?
It is a dam connecting through a river. Yeah, it's a dam connected to a river. I forgot the name of the river. Koina River. देख रहे हो गाइस क्या व्यू है.
जास्त पुढे जाऊ नका आणि एकामागे उभे राहू नका. सिंगल सिंगल उभे राहा. आपको दो ना आता कोणी जर बोललं ना मी इथून निघून जाईल. सामने जो दो पीक दिख रहे हैं आपको, एक यहाँ पे और एक थोड़ा आगे, दोनों सेम सेम दिख रहे हैं. तो इसमें से ये और आगे, तो आगे का जो है वो नागेश्वर सुरका है. रास्ते में आते आते हमें एक राइट साइड में एक पार्टी दिखी थी नागेश्वर सुरका के लिए. वो रास्ता वहाँ पे जाता है, उसके उस पार उस साइड में शिव जी का एक टेम्पल है. वहाँ पे 12 महीने अभिषेक होते रहता है पानी का, ऑटोमेटिक. वो पानी कभी बंद नहीं होता. वहाँ पे शिवरात्रि को बड़ा जत्रा वगैरह भी होती है. तो आसपास के गाँव के वहाँ पे जाते दर्शन के लिए उसी रास्ते से. उसके जैसा ये दिखता है, इसलिए इसको मराठी में खोटा नागेश्वर सुरका बोलते हैं. एक साइड से अभी जो हम खड़े हैं ये है विंसुगढ़ा, क्योंकि जो फोर्ट है फोर्ट से आगे आया है. जैसे विंसु स्कॉर्पियन का जो होता है ना डंक, उसके जैसा इसका शेप है, इसलिए उसको विंसुगढ़ा बोलते हैं. यहाँ से अब आगे जाएंगे, जहाँ पे हम रुके थे टेम्पल था, वहाँ पे राइट साइड में कुछ आपको अवशेष दिखेंगे. वो वाड़ा वगैरह रहता होगा. हाँ, राजवाड़ा नहीं, जो भी यहाँ पे सरदार वगैरह होते हैं उनके रहने के लिए. वहाँ से और आगे जाएंगे एंड तक, वहाँ पे है बाबूकड़ा, जहाँ पे आपको इको आएगा. और वहाँ पे बाबूकड़ा के आगे जो बाबूकड़ा दिख रहा है, यहाँ से भी दिख रहा है देखो, तो वो पुराना वासोटा है. वहाँ पे कैदी रखा करते थे. उसके हिस्ट्री में वहाँ जाके बताता हूँ. चलो आगे. अभी कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल होता है, सुना है ना कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल. वो भी ऐसे घाने में निकलता है कि जो भी पीनट्स वगैरह जिसका ऑयल निकलते हैं, ऐसे ही लकड़ी का होता है. साइड में उसके मूंगफली वगैरह डालते हैं और इसको पीसते हैं. तो ऐसा पुराने ज़माने में था. सेम कंसेप्ट है. जो भी हमारे फोर्ट्स है महाराष्ट्र के, जितने भी गिरिदुर्ग थे, ये थे फाइटिंग फोर्ट्स. आप नॉर्थ में जाओगे तो वहाँ पे ज़्यादा फाइट्स हुई नहीं है, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में मुगलों के खिलाफ शिवाजी महाराज ने फाइट की थी. तो उनकी जितने भी फोर्ट्स थे वो फाइटिंग फोर्ट चाहिए थे. जो भी फाइट्स होती है फिर उसमें कैनन्स आते हैं, सेनाएँ आती थी, हाथी लाते थे, घोड़े लाते थे। तो जितने भी ये जो वॉल रहती है उसको तटबंदी बोलते हैं, जो यहाँ पे राउंड शेप का दिखा स्ट्रक्चर उसको बुरुज बोलते हैं। तो ये मजबूत चाहिए था। तो जब भी ये बनाते थे तो इसके अंदर मॉर्टर डलता था, उसमें चूना पता है सबको, वाइट इसमें क्या बोलते हैं, चूना बनता है ना, चूना। देन काला कलर का गुड़, देन उसमें और जाता है जो कपाशी होती है, कापूस जो होता है, कापूस को क्या बोलते हैं, रुई कॉटन। देन आफ्टर दैट अलग अलग तरीके की दालें, उड़द दाल होगी जो पीसने के बाद जो चिपचिपा होता है वो, फिर जो कटी हुई केली होती है ना, बनाना, रिपन बनाना, वो, ऐसे बहुत सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं जो इसमें डालते थे। और इसको यहाँ पे सेंटर में एक स्ट्रक्चर होता था, एक लकड़ी रहती थी, उस पर एक बैल रहता था, तो बैल के सपोर्ट से इसको घुमाते थे। तो ये इसके अंदर सब मोटर डलता था और उसको पीसने के बाद वो बारीक ऐसा लिक्विड बनता था, और ये लिक्विड 7 दिन के अंदर यूज़ करना होता है। तो जितने भी तटबंदी दिख रही है, इसके अंदर जो पत्थर है, पत्थर के अंदर ये डलता था। तो इसकी मजबूती इतनी है, वो सामने दिख रहा है वहाँ पे आपको कुछ स्ट्रक्चर भी दिख रहे होंगे सबसे ऊपर, वो पुराना वासोटा है, जूना वासोटा। वहाँ पे कैदी रखा करते थे, स्वराज्य का कारागृह बोलते हैं। एक हिस्ट्री का एक इवेंट है, आपको पता होगा कि जब हिंदीमध्ये कसं सांगू राव, मराठीत सांगू मी, पन्हाळ्याला वेढा पडला होता, महाराजवर अडकले होते ऑलमोस्ट 6 महिने। त्यावेळेस जेव्हा सिद्धीने वेढा टाकला होता, आपलं महाराजांचं इंग्रजांसोबत, ब्रिटिशांसोबत एक करार झाला होता की ब्रिटिश मुघलांना किंवा इतर कोणाला सहाय्य करणार नाही.
Alright guys, I think we are about to descend the fort, and the last information that I gave you was half in Marathi and half in Hindi, so the man couldn't complete the information in Hindi because he was not comfortable. So what information he gave, that the other fort that you saw, which was the old or earlier fort of this Vasota fort, prisoners used to be there. The king used to capture and keep the prisoners over there, and they used to kill them there because the place is so high and it is so on the peak that nobody could actually easily climb down the fort. So the best use of the stick is when you get down these kind of forts trek. See, if you do not have a stick, you are actually putting pressure on your knees, and eventually it will be on your ankle and sprain everywhere, spasm as well. So it is always recommended in trek that whenever you are climbing down the hill or the fort which has the way something like this, the path must have a stick, so that you could reduce the strain, climb down easily without pain. It is 1 p.m. now that we are descending the fort, almost halfway there. Okay, situation is here behind me. This is the path that we used to climb up, and now we are going down. So yes, no network in this fort, nothing. Well, generally what happens that whenever I go on a track, I mean I'm talking about the other track that I've done, other forts, we actually get the network on the top of the fort, but here in this Vasota fort we didn't get we didn't get any network. I'm thinking to buy another SIM card. Damn, I can't use this because I have to keep my hand straight to show my face while speaking or while making the vlog. Also, I have to keep looking at the camera, not the screen, like this. Camera, screen, camera. Okay, so I can't show you the full climbing path, but this is it. So I'll try to post, I'll try to combine the rest of the clips when I'll be signing off, or when I'll be reaching the base village, the boating again. That will take 1 hour to reach the base village, and from there we'll have the bus. They're saying that I'll be reaching Pune around 10 or 11 p.m. 10 tentatively. So let's see what happens. This is it.
रस्ता कुठं उतरले कुठं आले कुठं उतरू
हालत ख़राब हो रखी है गाइस, बट स्टिल स्ट्रॉन्ग. गाइस मैं 3 लीटर का पानी लाया था, 3 नहीं 3.2 में भी. ये 2.2 डीकैथलॉन का और ये 0.75, उसमें से ये पूरा खाली हो गया है और इसमें से बस ये आधा बचा हुआ है. एंड वी आर टेकिंग हियर अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक. ऑलमोस्ट वी हैव डिसेंडेड द फोर्ट. वेल सम ऑफ द कूल गाइस आर एंजॉयिंग. पानी ठंडा है?
पानी ठंडा है बहुत.
ओह फिर तो कोई बात नहीं, आप ही ना लो. मैं तो घर जाके देखता हूँ. देखिए गाइस यही है, मेरे जैसा कभी इंजॉय मत करना, वरना बेकार में आपको से ट्रैक करने पड़ेंगे, पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे. आप ऑफिस में रहो, ओवर टाइम करो,
एंजॉय करो.
घर वर बनाओ, पैसा खरीदो, शादी वादी करो. मुझे ट्रैक करने दो, ठीक है? मुझे ट्रैक करने दो और अपना अपना देख लो. मैं यहीं खुश हूँ. उतर गए हैं गाइस फोर्ट से और अब हम चल रहे हैं बोट की तरफ. रवाना हो रहे हैं अपने लंच के लिए, जिसके लिए मेरे पेट में करोड़ों चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं. पता नहीं कहाँ दौड़ रहे हैं, लेकिन दौड़ रहे हैं. सो ऑलराइट, उतर गए हैं फोर्ट से. वी हैव डिसेंडेड एंड वी हैव गैदर्ड अराउंड हियर टू गेट ऑन आवर बोट टू गेट बैक टू आवर बेस विलेज. We'll have our lunch, then we will start. I think there's a bonfire as well, and after that we'll get on the bus to reach Pune, and then you'll see the vlog very soon as soon as I get time. There is an update that why we are late. Well, this is the time that we were supposed to get back on the bus and start our trip back to Pune, but a girl, I don't know the name, but she has got spasm on her ankle. How bad it is we don't know, but there's a rescue team. They are bringing her back on a rescue chair, and it's been so long. They don't know when they'll be back. Then they also have to take their food and then rest, and then will the trip start to Pune. So it's really getting hectic and really too long. And now I also have to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning to catch my cab at 5 a.m. then log in at 6 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. So yeah, trek is not easy. It's difficult, never easy.